Hello everyone, good morning. Ito, malapit na po ang Christmas. So, ayan. Ang sarap-sarap nito, oh. Agar-agar mix with fruits. Ayan, may buko yan. At saka ito naman ay mango float. Mango float. Ayan. Ang sarap, na miss ko na yung fresh buko na sa Pilipinas. Pero kailan pa kaya ako makaselebrate ng Christmas, Christmas at saka New Year sa aking mahal na bansang Pilipinas. Gawa nga ng hirap ng buhay dyan sa Pilipinas. Kahit todo kayod tayo, walang mangyayari sa buhay. Nasa ibang bansa lang po ang sagot sa kahirapan. Ang problema lang ay talagang patience lang po. Dahil sa alam mo na, ang amo ay amo talaga. Kahit anong mangyayari, sila pa rin ang amo, wala tayong karapatan. Sunod lang tayo para maginhawa ang ating buhay at ang ating pamilya. Kumbaga, parang din yan, customer is always right. Kahit hindi sila right, kahit nagkakamali sila. 'Di ba? So ganon din ang amo. Employer is always right, 'di ba? Hindi sila tatanggap ng ng explanation. So kung anong gusto nila, you need to follow everything what they want because they are the boss. Okay? So guys, agar-agar mixed with fruit. It's so yummy. So very yummy. I really missed this kind of preparation during Christmas and New Year in the Philippines, but I am here in far away in the very far country. So I just imagining the beautiful or the special day during Christmas and New Year in the Philippines. Here in the country where I am now in Macau, no celebration here, just we see the Christmas decorations, but the spirit of Christmas like happenings we didn't experience here. Okay, it's a normal day anyway. Christmas 25, we have work here, no public holiday here. This country is different than Hong Kong. So okay, so we are neighbor, China, Macau, and Hong Kong. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and my Facebook account. Thank you. So you